Hey wonderful viewers, welcome back to Interior Trends. Today we are diving into the world of folding door design, exploring ideas that will refine the way you think about your living space. But before we jump into the inspiration, if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our creative content. Now let's unlock the doors to innovative design possibilities. Folding doors are not just functional, they are a statement piece that can transform the dynamic of any room. We will be exploring various designs from the contemporary to the rustic, each offering a unique blend of style and practicality. First up, let's talk about accordion style folding doors. These gems are the epitomes of space optimization. Whether you are working with a small room or just want to create a seamless transition between spaces, accordion doors are a game changer. The sleek folding mechanism not only saves space but adds a touch of modern elegance to your home. Moving on to another crowd favorite, bifold doors. These doors bring a perfect fusion of aesthetic and functionality. Imagine effortlessly opening up your living area to a spacious and inviting environment. Bifold doors are versatile, coming in various materials and styles, making them a great fit for different design themes. As we explore these incredible design, keep in mind that the key is finishing the one that complement your lifestyles and enhance your home's overall appeal. Rustic charm refined. Now let's shift it gears and step into the world of rustic charm with burn doors. These sliding wonders not only add a touch of vintage elegance but also serves as a bold design statement. Whether you are aiming for a farmhouse aesthetic and looking to create a unique focal point, burn doors are a captivating choice. Now let's immerse ourselves into timeless elegance of French door. These double doors with glass panels bring in abundant natural light, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, ideal for those who crave a touch of sophistication. French doors add a touch of classic charm to any home. As we continue our journey through folding doors design, it's fascinating to see how each option adds a unique character to the space. Remember, your choice goes beyond functionality. It's a reflection of your personal style and the atmosphere you want to create. Ever wished for a doors that disappear when you don't need it? Enter pocket doors. These sliding doors are tucked neatly into the wall, saving valuable floor space, ideal for small rooms and areas where you swinging doors is impractical. Pocket doors offer a sleek and minimalist solution without compromising on style. Thank you for joining me on this journey through folding doors design. I hope you found inspiration from your next home project. If you have any question or want to share your favorite design, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more design ideas. Until next time, happy designing. Take care. Allah Hafiz.